I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing precise artwork and choosing the disk type. This affects printer settings and adhesive compatibility. Open your design in a program that supports printable templates and set 300 dpi for sharp text. Once done, align safe zones, center hole, outer edge, and text margins. Make sure to export as PNG or PDF in CMYK if your printer supports it, because RGB can shift colors. Save a working copy and a print-ready file labeled clearly for the next step. You now configure the printer and do a verification print. Install the specific driver and pick the CD/DVD media profile. This controls ink density and head height. Load a printable disk according to the manual, often face down, with the spindle or tray centered and guides snug. Once loaded, run a 100% scale test on plain paper using the same template to check alignment and color. If test lines look off, adjust margins and head height. Then repeat until registration is exact. You complete the job by printing the final disk, S, once alignment is confirmed. Print at the recommended speed for printable disks and let each disk dry on a flat, dust-free surface for 10 to 30 minutes depending on ink type. If you use a protective clear coat or laminate, apply it evenly and follow cure times to prevent smudging. Make sure to handle only the edges. Fingerprints can ruin prints. If something goes wrong, recalibrate the platen and rerun the paper test to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.